In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Gantt chart system in Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean timeline that makes it easy to plan, visualize, and adjust your projects right inside your workspace. Start by heading to Notion.com. When the home page loads, click Log In. For this walkthrough, I'll use the Google option to sign in. Choose your Google account when prompted, and you'll land back in Notion, ready to go. Inside your workspace, look near the workspace name for a small arrow or More Options menu. Open that, then select Templates. This takes you to Notion's template library, which is the quickest way to spin up a fully working Gantt chart without building it from scratch. In the template marketplace, click the search field and type Gantt chart. You'll see a Gantt chart template appear in the results. Click it to open its details, then click Add. This places a copy of the template into your workspace so you can make it your own without affecting the original. Once it's added, open the Gantt chart page. Here's what you'll typically see: a database displayed in a timeline view. Each row represents a task, and each task appears as a horizontal bar stretching from its start date to its end date. The database usually includes essential properties like the task name, start date, end date, and often status or priority. These properties power the timeline, so as long as a task has valid dates, it will appear correctly on the chart. The view is designed to make scheduling intuitive at a glance, so you can immediately tell what's happening this week, what overlaps, and where potential bottlenecks might be. The template often comes with a few example tasks to demonstrate the structure, which you can replace with your own work. To fine-tune the schedule, click and drag the bars directly on the timeline. Dragging a bar left or right shifts the task's start and end together, which is perfect for moving work forward or backward in time as plans change. Dragging either end of the bar adjusts the duration, extending or shortening the task while keeping its position on the schedule clear. These timeline edits automatically update the underlying dates in the database, so your list and your timeline stay perfectly in sync. That's it. Your Gantt chart system is now live in Notion, ready to organize your projects with a visual schedule you can adapt in seconds.